the issues that you're fear-mongering so much about in vile ways. And then she jumps into, I guess, the foreign aid part, but that's not specifically what the MAG Republicans who came out and said they opposed the border part specifically. That's what they were saying. And